phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello, Jolly learners at home. You are welcome to Jolly Phonics video learning session with me, Jolly Abbas. And I'm going to take you the next letter sound. But before we start, let us revise two previous sounds. What sound is this? Do you remember this letter sound? Great! The sound is E. Say it again. E. Very good. I'll look at this letter sound. What sound is this? Say it again. Z. Can you show me the action? Let's go together. Z. Very good. So children, story. Do you like my story, children? Yes. So the story is all about Victor. To make the name short, we say Vic. So Vic loves to drive his van. And he drives to his friend's house, holding a steering wheel like this, driving, and he makes the sound Children, this is the story. So from this short story, can you tell me the sound that Vic makes when he drives his van to his friend's house? Very good. Can you say it again? And again? Very good. So children, can you show me the action that Vic did in the story when driving his van to his friend's house? Exactly. Let's go. Very good. So this is the sound. This is the sound we are learning today. The sound is very good. So we are going to write this letter sound on the board. Where? On the board. Are you ready? Before we add this letter sound, is this a giraffe with a long neck, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Great! Turtle letter sound. So here we go. Because it's turtle, we are going to write it in between the two blue lines. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. Can I take it again? Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. One more. Start from the point, slash down to the right, and slash up right. Very good. So children, let us write this letter sound in the air. Bring out your magic pencils. Here's my own. Can you join me? 1, 2. Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. Can we take it again? Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. Okay, so let us look at our Jolly Phonics People book. What next? Trace the dotted sounds before we write our own V sound. Okay, here we go. start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. One more. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. So you trace the remaining ones. Okay? Yeah, exactly. These are the starting point for you to practice writing your own sound. Okay? Let me join you and write one. Here we go. Start from the point, slash down to the right, slash up right. Have you seen my own? Good. So, let us look at the words here. This time, I will take you to the board. Let us write the words on the board and we blend the sounds in them together. Okay, ready? Great. So, children, bring out your reading instruments. Ready? Great. 1, 2, go. Blend the sounds together. Van. Very good. Well done. Look at the next one. Okay? When I touch, you give me the sound. When I track, you read the word for me. Ready? V. A. T. That. Very good. Okay, children. The last one. Wow. So this one we are going to sing and read it. Let us use our 4-letter sound blending song and read this one. Here we go. I have 4 sounds, now they are v, e, s, t. When I join them together, I have a word. The word is vest. 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 The word is vest. V-E-S-T is vest. Is that again? Very good. Okay, one more. One and the last one. Okay? I have 4 sounds, now they are V-E-S-T. When I join them together, I have a word. The word is vest. 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 The word is vest. V-E-S-T is vest. Let us look at this one on the card. Okay? This one, blending song also. V and E together make V. V, V, V. When you get and put it at the end, V, make Vim. Can you hear it? V, make Vim. Can I hear you say V, V? Can I hear you say E, E? Can I hear you say When we put them together, Vim. When we put them together, Vim. When we put them together, Vim. Can I hear you say V? Can I hear you say E? Can I hear you say When we put them together, Vim. When we put them together, Vim. When we put them together, Vim. Roll for yourself, jolly children. Roll. So let us look at the pictures. Yes, of course, on page 28. So, in these 4 pictures, 3 of them contain the sound we are learning. V, 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 v. The sound we are learning. V. What is the name of the first picture? Yes, of course, we are going to color the 3 and cross out the one that does not contain the sound we are learning. What's the name of the first picture here? Exactly, violin. So do you hear v sound in violin? Great, you hear the sound. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Exactly at the beginning. So you color the picture. The next picture is, wow, Vic's van. So the next picture is van. Do you hear sound v in van? Exactly, you hear the sound. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Correct, at the beginning of the word van. So you color the picture. Yes, so what's the name of this picture? You say? Exactly, cave. Do you hear sound v in cave? You are right, you hear the sound. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Yes, at the end, cave. Very good. So you color the picture. And the last picture is boat. Exactly. So do you hear sound v in boat? You are right? No. So what do we do? Exactly, we cross it out. So children, bring out your exercise book. Okay, are you ready to write? I'm going to call out 2 words and you are going to write them down. Ready? You write van. Van. You need one more. Lovely. You write vat. Vat. That's very good. Can you help me count the sounds in the following word? Ready? Vest. Vest. How many sounds you hear? No, just show your fingers. Great. So, let us count together. Can I help you? Let's go. Vest. Very good. So children, here we come to the end of this lesson. Before I go, let us listen to the dirty song of the sound we learned today.
Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Ooh.
Thank you very much, and I trust you learned a lot today. Practice at home. We meet next time. Bye bye, my jolly children. Bye bye to you all. Bye bye till next time. Bye bye.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics